Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your credit card on TikTok or any other payment method. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Or once it loads, go ahead over to your profile. And then once done, go ahead and go to the top, tap on the three horizontal lines. And then just go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once done, scroll down and find the Accounts tab and just tap on Security and Permissions. Now, once you're in here, just basically find Browser Settings, tap on it, and then you'll be able to see all payment information. So just tap on it and everything will be listed right here, including your cards or even PayPal or whatever. So just tap on one payment method and then just basically tap on Remove. And after that, if you want to make sure, you can go ahead and go back. And if it says autofill payment information right here, just disable it. And once done, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to remove your credit card on TikTok. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.